Hello YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel. Just me and me, Devonice. So y'all, happy Thursday. So just getting ready to start the vlog off. Today I am going to let my granddaughters make their own Easter baskets. So I went to the Dollar Tree yesterday and picked up a few things out of there. I do want to go and pick up a couple other things to add to their baskets, but since they're over here, once they come in from playing outside, I'm gonna let them get started on their baskets. So this will be the first time that I'm letting them do it on their own. I just thought it would be something cute for them to do, so I will be sharing some clips of them putting them together. But yeah, because normally I would do them for all the kids. And so this time I just figured I'd let them, the older ones, do it by themselves. So yeah, let them do that. And I think for the babies, I'm probably going to end up getting just some like cartoon character backpacks, because that could be a new diaper bag. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I did see... Huh?
Can I get a Ziploc bag?
Huh?
Can I get a Ziploc bag?
For what?
For the rocks you found?
No. Put the rocks back that you found.
Okay.
Okay. Put them back where they... Put them in the driveway, because that's where they belong. Okay. I'm back out. Yeah, so anyways, I was in TJ Maxx and I saw a Spider-Man, like a little kid's suitcase, and I started to get that for Onyx, but I said he ain't old enough to pull that little bag, even though it's a little lightweight little suitcase. So with the little wheels, it's plastic, it's lightweight. He can pull it if somebody show him. He probably would know how, but I just said no, I just get a diaper bag, something that they can use for his diaper bag. But anyways, yeah, y'all. Okay. So who likes Takis?
Me!
Alright, ta-da, I got blue. I'm the only blue.
Yay! I can sit on my bottle.
Put your Takis in. But make sure you're setting it where everybody can see. Everybody can see. You don't have to push it all in. Okay? And then, does anybody like these nerd clusters?
Yes, I do.
Really?
Yeah.
Both of y'all like them?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Well, just so happen that I have two. So set them in. And remember, set this way because we're working this way. Okay? Alright. So, I got some of these things here. Do y'all like pretzels and cheese?
I have those at my house.
Do you like them?
Yeah, not really.
You don't like them? Well, guess what? It's going to be more for...
I guess I'll have them because my mom loves them.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Here you go. And then I have... Hey y'all, so I started on the baskets. So as you can see, I let them start on the baskets. What I did was I didn't put like all of the confetti in the bottom or anything like that. I just got some tissue paper, colored tissue paper, and I set that down in the bottom of their baskets, and I just gave them, I'm handing them right now everything for them to put inside of the basket. So I wanted them to get started on it to see if it's anything else I wanted to add besides what I told y'all earlier I wanted to add to it. So yeah, so I'm going to turn the camera back around and just share with y'all once they get done. So, alright y'all, how many of y'all having an Easter egg hunt for Easter? When all of my grandkids lived here, we used to have them in the basement, and then we used to have them outside in the backyard when it was nice enough. But we haven't had one in a long time, and this year would have been perfect to have one. But everybody's not here, and so I guess we won't have one because I don't think it would be fun with the two little bitty ones. One can't walk, and one can walk, and then I got the girls. I don't know. We'll see. I may still do it. We'll see. All right. So this is winners right here. There, and this is so nice. Everything came from the Dollar Tree, y'all. So I got two different colors. I got the pink, and then I got teal. They had lime green. They had black. I want to say they might have had purple. And I chose these two colors. And yeah. And I got these eggs, but I'm not for sure if I want to do an Easter egg hunt. I just got through telling y'all. It ain't nothing but a few of them that could do it. I got little Onyx with his little short legs running around. And then I have Sinai and Winter that's here. So I don't know. But ain't they cute, y'all? The baskets they can use again. So that's why I chose these type of baskets. They can put their toys and stuff in there. So yeah, they have like jump ropes, like the Lilo and Stitch. Lilo, they have the Nerds. They have some slime, flashcards. You have the cotton candy, Slim Jims. You got the Takis. They have this. They have the Peeps. And they have other candies and down in the bottom. Yeah. So that's it though. I think they're really cute. What y'all think? Just wanted to come on and let y'all know what was going on, y'all. Yeah, so it kind of stormed off and on yesterday, but today it's better. So I'm just wanted to draw that rain up and hopefully tomorrow. Alexa, what's the weather tomorrow?
Tomorrow, there will be showers with a high of 55 degrees Fahrenheit.
I guess it don't matter if it dry up or not. It's because they say rain tomorrow.
You have a new notification. Do you want to hear it?
No. Yeah, so anyways, y'all, whatever.
New notification.
Alexa, pause.
Would you like to see ratings?
Alexa, pause. Because who asked her? Didn't I say no? She all in my business. Bye. Anyways. So, yeah, I'm getting started. So, what y'all cooking tomorrow? What y'all cooking? So, I'm making a pasta salad, as I said. And I'm not doing greens this time. I took the last bag of my greens out the day before yesterday. And we had that the other day. So, we're going to have ribs and ham. A lot of pork, yep. Ribs and ham. Not, like I said, I'm not doing greens or string beans. I'm doing cabbage. And the pasta salad, macaroni and cheese, and I'm gonna do some dressing, chicken and dressing. And I wasn't even gonna do the dressing, but the more I thought about it, and then I went back and forth about the pasta salad because I really want some potato salad, so I might make a little small thing of potato salad because I could just eat ham, macaroni and cheese, potato salad, and dressing. I'm good. I don't need nothing else. Say hi to the camera, Cardi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello. Shall I watch your cartoons? I watch your cartoons right now. That's what I do it. Can they see your face? Can they see that pretty smile? Oh, I done started something. Not woman. Hey, YouTube family. Y'all a little cricket. Hold on. I'm back again, y'all. Today is still Saturday. I'm trying to straighten this. Yeah, today is still Saturday, day before Easter. It's April 19th to be exact. So I just wanted to come on and share with y'all really quick little small haul I got from Temu. So I got this little scrub brush. I knew it was a little lightweight for the price of it, but I got it just to clean up in the bathroom, like the shower, the walls and stuff like that. So I got that, and I got some little toenails, press-on toenails, but if I do wear them, they'll be glued on. And then I got some nails. I was just doing some, y'all. I ain't never ordered from Temu, but I did when we first started hearing about Temu. I did collab with them a few years ago. And yeah, so that was my only time getting anything from them. This is my second time receiving something from them, but this time I purchased it. So I purchased, I don't know if y'all can see these or not. Kind of got like a little glare with these nails right here. So I keep some nails here just in case I don't get my nails done. You know, because it has been times where I have went months and months without getting them done. And yeah, so I keep those. And then my toes and stuff like that. I have like the French nails and I have like the different color nails, and I have like I don't even know what you call the other colors. But anyways, and then I have the toenails, the French toenails and stuff like that I've been had. And anywho, y'all, I got some more earring hooks. Y'all know the ones with the clear circle back and then the gold hook on them. Don't know if you can see through the plastic or not, but yeah, got these. And then I got some gloves. I think it's a pack of 50 gloves, but I got them in pink to match my room. And then I got this right here. It's a cape for when you're cutting hair, but it just go around your neck, and it's supposed to, you know, keep hair from going on the floor. So let's see. I got this in here. How y'all got it? Oh, there you go. 1, 2, 3, baby. Just like that. Here we go. Head go in there. And then there you go. Hold on, y'all. Hello, YouTube family and friends. Welcome back to my channel, Just Being Me, Devonice. So I just wanted to hop on and wish you all a very happy Easter from my family to yours.